Oh hey guys, I'm just chilling here doing a little bit of research for a YouTube topic with my brand new foldable Bluetooth keyboard by Blackweb. So stick around because we're about to get this party rocking and rolling. Welcome back to another video to Where Tech Matters to You guys. I am RPM Nexus, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the foldable Bluetooth keyboard by Blackweb. This thing is super cool, super cheap, and speaking of cheap guys, I'm about to tell you where you can find this keyboard, and right now you can find it at Walmart.com. You can find it at your local Walmart, or you can find it on Amazon or eBay. You might be able to find it on those two because it is an exclusive brand to Walmart, so if you don't see it on Amazon or eBay, you won't be able to find it anywhere else but at Walmart. So right now the price on this is $17.97, literally under 20 bucks for a foldable Bluetooth keyboard that can connect to your PC, your iOS devices, and as well as your Android devices. So let's go ahead, let's jump into more of the specs in this video for you guys. Okay, let's go ahead, let's look at the product, well, the box first. As you can tell, you have a really cool looking little snazzy foldable Bluetooth keyboard there by Blackweb. You have the orange and then the white, and you can connect it to your iOS, Android, and your Windows devices. And then on the back of it, you have what is very little specs: magnetic closure, rechargeable built-in lithium-ion battery with up to 40 hours of working time and 30 days standby. Includes the micro USB charger cable, which is right here, and this instruction manual to let you know how to operate this. So let's go ahead, let's look at all the little really cool features on this right here. You got the Android charging port right here, so any Android cord that will typically work for it. And then once you open this bad boy up, look at that, look how clean that is, look how cool looking that is. You got all your hotkeys at the top, you got the .com, so it makes it easier to type in .com instead of, fully. And then you have the on and off button and the connect button. It lets you know if it's connected or not. And it also tells you the status of the battery, so if it's not keeping a charge or something like that. You also have a very durable and cheap price, which is $20 at your Walmart. Like I mentioned before, it's $20. And then you also have the 32 feet operating range, which you could go far away from it and still operate. There's really no latency between that. And this is, I did the test of get so many feet away from my phone, and my wife was sitting there looking at it and it's still working. Then I went into the trial room and closed the door and started typing. I was like, can you still see it typing? And she said, yeah, it's still typing. So really there is not that many difference and not that big of a latency between the keyboard itself. And then as far as negatives on this keyboard, there's not really that much negatives I can say about it besides the fact that it's the material that it's made of. To me, I think it could have been a little bit more durable. I think it could at least have a metal casing or something on the back of it to prevent it from being destroyed, because right now, as you can tell, it looks kind of flimsy. It doesn't just typing really hard, there's a lot of people out there that just smashes keys or pokes at the keys, and over time, eventually that stuff is not going to work. Really, the reviews that I've seen on Walmart.com about this keyboard is the fact that people don't know how to treat a keyboard properly, especially something this delicate. I mean, you could just lightly press the keys and they will work, and they'll work just fine the way they're supposed to. So, and as far as the setup, it is super easy to set up. All you basically have to do, you just turn on the button and then go to your Bluetooth settings within your phone, and the phone should pick up it automatically to pair between the two devices. But if it doesn't, then you have to hit the connect button to pair it, obviously. So definitely it's got its ups and downs. Like I said, it's foldable and it's definitely portable, so that's a key to this. But other than that, it's a solid keyboard to me. I mean, like I said, I use it every day. I use it on my phone, when I'm using the text and everything to text my wife, or when I'm in live streams of YouTubers out there, stuff like that. And if you do a live stream, drop it down in the comments. Let me know that you're a live streamer, and I might just pop over into your channel and check it out. Just let me know. Don't leave no links, but just let me know if you're a live streamer, and I'll definitely hop over and check you guys out. Anyways, guys, that's it for the specs and all the rundowns of this keyboard. Now we're going to get into the final thoughts of all this awesomeness. My final thoughts on this keyboard is absolutely awesome, besides the little downfalls to it. But other than that, guys, it is really cool and I love it, and I hope you guys pick it up yourself. As I mentioned, you can find this at your local Walmart. And I will definitely be seeing you guys in the near future. Before I head out, right here, there's a little circle that's going to pop up. Hit that big circle, and as well to here, there's going to be 2 videos popping up, and you can catch those as well. Those are also Blackweb products, and I will also leave more links down in the description so you guys can check out some Blackweb products. Alright guys, I am RPM Nexus, and remember, this is definitely the channel where tech matters to you. I will see you guys later. Peace. Bye.